بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Honorable Governor Sindh, Honorable Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Naveed Qamar, Minister of Commerce, Mr. Zubair Motiwala, Head of TDAP, Federal Ministers, Minister of States, advisors, government officials, and of course, our very honored guests from abroad. I'm so happy to learn that about 400 delegates are visiting Pakistan on this occasion from 60 countries. Now, this is a remarkable achievement, and that shows without any ray of doubt that Pakistan, alhamdulillah, is a destination for our foreign guests, buyers, traders, to visit Pakistan, enjoy Pakistan's culture. City of Karachi, gateway to Pakistan, our mountains where we have pristine beauty. All this put together, you are combining your business with pleasure, and we all welcome you wholeheartedly. Ladies and gentlemen, textile has been the backbone of our, not only our industry, but our exports. Of course, along with leather. And I really deeply commend and appreciate our industrialists sitting here, exporters, and experts who have contributed immensely in promoting Pakistan's textile and leather exports. Despite various challenges on the way. Of course, there have been dips at points in time, but here we are. You are very robust, very futuristic, and extremely hard-working entrepreneurs that has gradually built Pakistan's export sector. And of course, your quality of export is second to none. World-class companies import from Pakistan knitwears, garments, textile, etc. And from a very conventional setup back in early 50s and 60s, today you have converted this into a very transformed industry with airjet looms, and ginning and spinning and weaving, and beautiful artwork. Minister Naveed Qamar has done a commendable job along with his team. Secretary, Commerce, and Motiwala, who's a friend of mine, a very energetic entrepreneur, and of course, very knowledgeable person. I have high regards for him. During my last visit to Karachi, I did mention this to him that please come forward and contribute your ideas in nation-building efforts. I'm sure budget is just around the corner, and I'm going to hold pre-budget meetings next week. Honorable Finance Minister was supposed to come with me, but he's slightly indisposed and he could not fly. I have with me Dr. Aisha Pasha, our Special Assistant and Ministry of State, and Dr. Tariq Bajwa, a very learned person, but he has to be flexible to make our exports flexible and promote our exports. That's extremely important. He's very knowledgeable, but then, you have to, ease your pocket in the first place to get more dollars and more foreign exchange. Textile is one sector where it constitutes probably 60% of our total exports. Am I right? And our labor force is absorbed in this sector to the tune of about 40%. It is no doubt one of the largest sector of Pakistan's economy. And I want to make it very clear, rather abundantly clear, that despite financial challenges, we all know about it, we'll discuss it in smaller meetings. Despite other difficulties, this is one area, that is our exports, be it textile, be it leather, be it pharmacy, be it Sialkot, footballs, and sport items, whatever. I am all for providing whatever genuine support we can to boost our exports, because there lies our salvation. But for that, you have to come up with innovative ideas. Not those hackneyed policies have to be buried. We must come forward with very imaginative ideas, so that with genuine governmental support combined with your extraordinary intellect and hard work, we're able to provide quality export goods to our customers. Imagine, ladies and gentlemen, we were ahead of our neighbor in textile a few decades ago. This is no secret. Unfortunately, we have lost that ground. I have no doubts in my mind that we can still recover from these setbacks and take the hand of the clock back to 80s and 90s and excel in our exports. This is not rocket science. I'm sure Naveed Kama and his team, Finance Minister, and all other related authorities combined together can turn the tables. And these are no words. I mean it, and I believe in this. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be here today, and I really appreciate the wonderful work done by the organizers, exhibitors, and other stakeholders. And I wish our foreign delegates a wonderful stay. I'm sure you are going to break bread with your counterparts here in Karachi, visit beautiful places in this wonderful city of Ea'zam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is buried here, and of course sign your agreements. And I can assure you that the government of Pakistan will most definitely put in place and implement all requirements by ILO, International Labour Organization, or other international outfits. And I'm very glad that Naveed Qamar has put in place this National Compliance Cell, which is, I think, need of the hour. And we are obviously very grateful to EU for GSP Plus. And again, I'm aware of the fact that all reviews have been done, and we will adhere and respect all international requirements in this behalf, whether it's good governance, human rights, and other requirements. This is purely a business forum, and I'm not going to go into politics. But suffice it to say that the government of Pakistan believes in rule of law, believes in merit, and come what may, we will toe the line of our constitution and our rules and our policies. I wish you all the best. I wish you, if you have time, Chief Minister Saab, we can arrange, Sayyid Naveed Qamar, we can arrange their visit to lovely place in Murray. They can have a beautiful evening over there. They will be our guests in Governor's House. We'll offer a wonderful dinner, provided they ink their agreements over there. That's important, because what we invest, we must at least get 10 times more. So wonderful food will be waiting for you over there. Beautiful evening music you will enjoy with serene beauty of Murray. And I'm sure during those happier moments, you will be very happy to sign those agreements with your counterparts. God bless you. Pakistan, Paindabad.